Hello friends, welcome back to this brand identity design course. In this video, we will discuss how to use Reflect tool, the shape builder tool, and the blend tool. But before that, please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. This will help me to create more videos like this. The Reflect tool is a tool for creating symmetrical design, mirroring objects, and achieving precision artwork. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Use the Reflect tool to create symmetrical design. Look for Reflect tool in the toolbar. It is under the Rotate tool, or press O on your keyboard to activate it. Now draw half of a design, then reflect and copy it across the desired axis. Do this and select Object. Click Reflect tool, then press Alt on your keyboard and click the object. A dialog box will appear, then click Copy. Now, align and group the two halves to a complete symmetrical design. Perfect. The second tool we talk about is the Shape Builder tool. The Shape Builder tool combines, subtracts, and creates complex shapes from overlapping objects. It is perfect for simplifying workflows and adding creative touch to designs. Now, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Draw or place multiple overlapping shapes. In this video, we will try the basic shape like circle, rectangle. Now, use the Select tool to select all the shapes you want to modify. Ensure your shapes overlap or touch for the tools to work effectively. Now, select the Shape Builder tool from the toolbar or press Shift-M on your keyboard. The cursor will change to a pointer with two small overlapping shapes over the overlapping areas of the shapes. The tool highlights this region with a mesh pattern. Now click and drag across the area you want to merge. The selected regions will combine into one shape. To subtract shapes, hold down the Alt key while using the Shape Builder tool. Click on the area you want to remove and they disappear. To isolate or create new shape, hover over a specific area, then click to isolate it as a standalone shape. Now ungroup the resulting objects if needed. The third tool we will discuss is the Blend tool. The Blend tool allows you to create smooth transition between objects, colors, and shapes. It is a powerful feature for designing gradient, complex pattern, and dynamic illustration. Draw or create two or more shapes. For example, let us use the Ellipse tool to create two circles of different colors. Position them apart on the canvas. Then locate the Blend tool in the toolbar or press W on your keyboard. The cursor will change to a small icon with two overlapping squares. With the Blend tool active, click on the first object, then click on the second object. Illustrator will automatically create intermediate steps, blending the two shapes smoothly. Perfect. Now, before we go, let us adjust the blend setting. Go to Objects, go to Blend, then go to Blend Options to open the setting dialog box. Choose a spacing option for smooth color, which is used to create a continuous gradient between the objects. You can also use Specify Step to define the numbers of intermediate shapes. You can also use Specify Distance to set distance between each step. When you are done, click Preview to see real-time changes, then click OK. Perfect. Please like and share and subscribe to this video to see more valuable videos like this. See you in the next video.